So in this video, we'll be talking about how to build confidence in trading. So before that, let's talk about why do you need confidence in trading. So you need confidence in trading because to make consistent profit, to make good trades, and also to hold on to a good trades. Okay, so this confidence is also linked with emotion and discipline what you follow in trading. Okay, so guys, in this video, let's talk about how to increase your confidence in trading. Okay, so before that, let's talk about what makes one confidence go down in trading. So many people lose their confidence in trading when they make wrong trades or when they make losses, when strategies don't work for them, and when they don't have good trading setup. So at this moment of time, many people lose their confidence and they become very emotional in trading. Okay, so in this video, I'll be talking about how to build your confidence back and make a good profit and consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so guys, the first very important point is that you have to first learn the market. Okay, learn the market and observe the market and see what is market. Okay, so many people, many beginners, what they do is they invest a lot of money in the starting itself and they try to learn what is good in market and they concentrate on what strategies they need to follow. Okay, so yes, strategy is very important, but strategy is not only the thing. Okay, many beginners at the beginning itself they just try to learn the strategy. Except strategies, there are a lot of other things what you need to learn in market. The first thing is observation. Okay, so you need to observe the market, what market is performing today, how the market is today, and is there any news in the market. So all these things you need to observe. Okay, and yes, strategy is very important. A good trading strategy will always help you to make profit, but not only the strategy, you need to have discipline, emotional and money management system and all these things before you learn the strategy. Okay, and the second thing is that you need to trade your wrong trades or your losses as lesson and you have to learn from them. Okay, so it's not like you make a loss and you feel and your confidence go down and you feel like the market is not working for you or whatever you do, the trades are going wrong. So that doesn't mean that the market is wrong. Okay, so you have to treat this as a lesson for yourself. Okay, many people say that they lost like 50,000, 60,000, or many amount in the trading. So what I have a question is that when you start to lose your money, okay, so when you start to lose like 5,000, 6,000, or maybe 10,000, why don't you just take a break and rethink on what you're doing, the strategy what you're doing or the strategy what you're following, or why the wrong trades are happening. So you need to think on that and you need to correct yourself. I hear many people telling that they have lost this much amount of money, that much amount of money. You have to take a break when you felt that there is something wrong going on in your strategy or in your trading setup, and you have to learn what is working in the market. Okay, so concentrate on what is working on your market. Okay, so many people get happy and get their confidence back when they start to make consistent profit. Okay, so when they make profit, when they make good trades, they'll be confident, they'll be happy, but when the trade goes wrong, they will be sad and they'll be thinking the market is wrong and all these things. But yes, when you get lost also, you have to treat it as your own lesson, like what mistake you made. Okay, so I have to tell you one more thing, guys, that the stop loss is very common in trading. Okay, but that should not be more in your trading. For example, if you're trading 20 or 22 days in a month, if the stop loss is hitting maximum of 5 to 6 times, then it is fine. Okay, I'm telling you the maximum number. Even if you're a beginner, if you're starting to trade, if you're getting 5 to 6 stop losses in a month, but at the overall month or at the overall week, if you're at a profit, then that means your strategy is good and your trading setup is good. Okay, so now let me tell you that if you guys are new to the stock market, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you what is exactly needed to make consistent profit. Okay, no complicated things. Okay, no indicators. The strategies are very simple without indicators. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. Yes, even in the live market, I'll be guiding you the live trades, what I take, the same trades you will get, and also I'll be supporting you till you understand. It's a lifetime support and it's a one-time payment course. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, yes, now back to the video. Have a proper money management system. Okay, so you have to maintain your target and stop loss ratio like 1:2 risk reward ratio. And also there's one more thing what you need to concentrate on. If you're a beginner, you have to invest the amount what you can take risk of. Okay, for example, if you're able to invest 5,000 rupees at starting, it is fine. You can start with 5,000 rupees also. Okay, it's not like you need huge money to start. Even with 5 to 10,000 rupees, you can start trading and make decent amount of profit. Once you make a decent amount of profit, even with a small capital, let's say you're trading with 1,000 rupees, and if you're making 50 to 100 rupees per day, that is fine. But you have to make that consistently. The 100 rupees or 50 rupees profit you make, if you make that consistently with 1,000 rupees capital, that means you can now increase your capital. Okay, so when you get good profit with a small capital only, that means when you're practiced a lot, when you're making good trades, then only you should increase your capital. Okay, don't just increase your capital at the beginning itself just by making 1 or 2 trades. Practice for at least 1 to 2 months and then only increase your capital, only if you're a beginner. Okay, if you have knowledge about trading, if you know what you're doing and if you know what is working for you, then it's fine. You can increase your capital and trade. Okay, invest your money on the strategy what is working for you and have a good trading setup. So as I said, if you guys don't have a good trading setup or a good trading strategy, you can join us. I'll be teaching you all these things. Okay, the psychology, the emotion, and the good trading setup and the strategy, how to pick the stock for every single day. So all these things will be covered. Okay, so follow the strategy what is working in the market. Okay, so you should always follow the thing what is working in the market. Okay, the stop loss is very common, as I already said you. So for example, if the market is gap down and if you're going to buy a stock, then the stock might not go up because the market might be down. And also, let's say the market is bullish and you buy the stock and suddenly some news factor comes in, and if suddenly the market is 1% up and it comes down to 0.20% up, that is 0.80% down, if that happens, the stock will automatically come down. It's not your mistake. Okay, even if you're following a very good strategy, if you have got a very good entry in a very good stock, if some news factor affect, okay, the stock will come down and the stop loss will hit. That is common. If that case happens, that is fine. That won't happen always. Okay, so these things what I'm telling you, the news factor or anything like that will not affect every single day. It might affect like a rare cases. Okay, so if you have a good trading setup, you can make consistent profit. Okay, trading setup, strategy, money management, and how you control your emotions are much important in trading. Okay, so guys, if you follow these things, you can increase your confidence in trading by having a good trading setup, by making consistent profit, and by making the correct trades. Okay, and also even if you're making wrong trades, don't worry. Even if your stop loss is hitting sometimes, don't worry about it. You still have a time to learn, and you still correct yourself, and you can still make the good trades. Okay, so many people say that the trade is going opposite when they take, like for example, if they buy from that point only, the stock is coming down. If they short sell from that point only, the stock is going up. That means opposite to them. So this is happening because you're entering in a wrong side or a wrong time, or your entry is wrong. So guys, always remember, you should always buy it at a support level, and you should always sell it at a resistance level. As simple as that. Okay, if the stock is going up, don't buy that. Wait for some time, wait for it to go up and come down and touch its support level, and then buy it. Okay, if you're doing any of the breakout strategy, also make sure you use support and resistance level, which will help you. Okay, so these are some of the key extra bonus point what I'm telling you. And don't buy the stock just by seeing that if it's something is going up. Okay, some people, what they do is they'll add some stock to the watch list. They'll see that the stock is going very in a bullish way. For example, let's say the stock is staying at 200, suddenly it goes to 201, 202, 203. What they think is, oh, it is going up and they have to buy it. It's wrong. You should not do like that. If it's going to 200 and if it goes to 205 also, that is fine. Wait for the stock to retrace back to 200 again and buy it at support level, and from that support level, if it goes to 203 also, it is fine. Maximum you have to book 1% target in a trade what you take for intraday trading. Okay, so follow this discipline of 1:2 risk reward ratio, and don't over trade, and keep the expectation level as a reality. Okay, don't think that you will buy a stock at 200 and you'll sell it at 210 today itself, because it won't happen. The maximum it can go is 3 to 4%. Only if there is some news or anything like that in stock, then only it can go that much higher. Okay, so buy it at 200 and sell it at 203 or 224, like that, so that book a decent profit. It's not like in one single trade you have to book all your profit. Okay, so part by part you can make a profit. Okay, not like the one stock what you trade, that stock only doesn't move on your favor side. Okay, it doesn't move according to your favor for a whole single day. Okay, it will go up, it will come down. It's all about how you make that proper entry and how you take your exits. It's all about your mindset and confidence. Okay, so have confidence. Even if you make wrong trades, note those wrong things what you do and learn from them. Okay, so yes, this is about it. And if you guys wish to learn from me, you can join us. I'll be guiding you personally lot more things in my course. Okay, and also if you are new to my channel, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing my channel. And also our channel has crossed 1 lakh subscriber, that is 100k plus subscribers. So thank you guys so much for this, and thank you guys so much for the support, and do support me like this, and always, and do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So thank you guys so much. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.